Alright, we've got the B-Man P17. It's actually already loaded with one of these. These are 10.5 grain lead pellets by Gammo called the Silent Cats. They're one of my favorites. We have exactly 4 inches of clay to work with here. I have 4 half inches and 2 whole inches back here. Let's see how much we can shoot through. Okay, first we'll try the Silent Cat ammo. 2 inches of clay. Oh, and then we got that is so fantastic. Okay, we got 1 layer. We got 2 layers.
What are you talking to?
We've got 3. So that means almost 2 inches worth of clay. That bad boy stuck in the last one. Alright, change of plans. We're going to see what a Silent Cat does to this full 2 inches of clay right here. Alright, I'm going to show the B-Man shooting the Silent Cat 10.5 grain pellets. Lead. Went right through 2. Oh, wow. That went right through that whole inch. That entire inch of solid clay. And straight into this one. Almost as deep as... Oh, actually, just as deep as the other one, I guess. Right to the end, I think. Pretty deep, I say. Huh. Let's get it out. Let's get it here. There you go. There it is. So, straight through that one. And that one. That would tear somebody up. Alright, the half inches have been completely reformed. Let's see what these Crossman Destroyer pellets will do. Alright, 2 full inches of clay. Let's get it on. Now, this is a 7.5 grain pellet, somewhat hollow tip style. Oh, that one too had quite a little bit of pressure to it. Went pretty far. My guess is it penetrated at least 3. The lighter hollow tip only went through 2. Didn't quite make it through the second one, but as you can see, it was going there. It seems it kind of cut it up. Now I'm wondering, since I used clay, I could probably reuse these pellets. It didn't hurt them at all. Like shooting them into a pillow. Oh no, that wad, that the rim in that pellet got quite messed up. I don't know if you can see that, but that widened up like like a big head. Can you see that?
Where's Daddy?
Set up another 2 inches of clay. This time we're going to try a red tip. Yeah, they say in the package Pest Patrol, so these pellets are actually used to kill rats. Believe it or not. Oh boy. Okay, red tips are a little bit heavier, 7.9. So it did do a little more damage than the hollow tips. Well, a lot more. I mean, look at the size of that hole. Alright, so I went through a whole inch of that and stuck in to the third half inch there. And my guess is it's still probably usable. No. But that's what I like about these ones. They drill that little fucking thing into the rat head or whatever you're shooting at to kill it. Think about that. Shoot to kill. Blessings. Take care. Think about it. You think a .177 caliber shooting at 400 feet per second could kill you? Just a mere 410 feet per second. .177 caliber. And Play-Doh's not much tougher than skin. Well, the other way around. It doesn't matter. It's just pretty simple. It's fucked up.